welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the personal life of Jacob Elordi, the rising Hollywood star known for his roles in Euphoria, The Kissing Booth, and Saltburn. With his rapid rise to fame and massive fan following, many are asking, is Jacob Elordi gay? Let's find out. Jacob Elordi was born on the 26th of June 1997 in Brisbane, Australia. He began acting in his teens and broke out internationally with his role as Noah Flynn in the Kissing Booth trilogy. He later gained critical acclaim for his portrayal of Nate Jacobs in HBO's hit series Euphoria, showcasing a range of complex emotions and darker themes. In recent years, Elordi has taken on more mature roles in films like Priscilla and Saltburn, cementing his status as a versatile actor in Hollywood. Despite rumors and fan speculation, Jacob Elordi has not identified as gay. He has been romantically linked with several high-profile actresses, including Zendaya, Joey King, and Olivia Jade. While he has portrayed queer characters on screen, such as in Saltburn, this is part of his work as an actor and does not reflect his personal sexuality. Jacob is known for being fairly private about his personal life and prefers to stay focused on his craft. As of now, Jacob Elordi is busy working on various film and television projects while staying active in fashion and modeling collaborations. He remains one of the most talked about young actors in Hollywood. His personal life continues to attract attention, but he hasn't made any public statements suggesting he identifies as gay. So, to answer the question, no, Jacob Elordi is not gay. He's a talented and deeply dedicated actor who continues to captivate audiences on and off screen. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more celebrity updates and where they are now.